Students, hope you all are fine today. Students, today we will start Unit 5. We will read the poem The Rain, which is composed by W.H Davies, who is the poet of nature. Students, this poem is about rain, but it has the symbolic significance. The poet is highlighting the miseries, difficulties, or problems of the poor people of society. I hear leaves drinking rain. I hear rich leaves on top, giving the poor beneath, drop after drop. 'Tis a sweet noise to hear these green leaves drinking near. The opening lines of the poem, the poet says that he hears the sound of falling rain on leaves. The leaves seems to be drinking water. The top leaves are growing in plenty, therefore rich. The lower leaves are growing thin, therefore poor. The rain is falling in heavy showers on the top rich leaves, but the rainwater is falling drop after drop on the lower thin leaves. It looks as the rich people give alms, coin after coin, to the poor. However, the music produced by the falling rain on the leaves is soft and sweet. The rich leaf stands for the rich people of the society, and the poor leaf stands for the poor people of society. You can see the usage of personification in the first stanza. The leaves are being personified and they are given the human traits, like drinking is a human characteristic. Through this metaphor, the poet is highlighting the miseries, problems, or difficulties of the poor people of society. And when the sun comes out, after this rain shall stop, a wondrous light will fill each dark round drop. I hope the sun shines bright, it will be a lovely sight. In the next stanza of the poem, the poet says that after the rain has stopped, the sun will appear. It will shine brighter than before. The sunshine will spread everywhere. It will make the whole atmosphere lovely and bright. The dark round drops of water will begin to shine in the bright rays of sunshine. The poet says that the sunshine will illumine everything with its brilliance. It will indeed be a lovely sight. In this stanza, there is a message of hope for the readers. The poet is an optimistic person. The poet is hopeful. He is waiting for the time when there will be equality in society, when the rich and the poor people will be equal, when there will be no class distinction, when the poor and the rich people will get equal opportunities or chances. The sunshine is a symbol of hope.